All right, here we go.
You're fine. No, you're fine. I'm watching this, okay? Yeah.
And use the drone. Yeah.
That has got to be the bottom of Saru. And of course, Yuri on the left.
Oh,
Cadillac Ranch in Texas.
Yeah.
Been there. Yeah. Those aren't even the skies that I ever grew up with. I wonder how much colorization is going on in these.
Some.
Yeah, because the Cadillacs have been repainted since I was there last.
Okay. Oh, the Cadillac. I thought you meant the sky.
Well, the cars too.
well, that would affect.
They look totally different than I remember.
Get that. I love that one. It's crazy.
I don't recognize that skyline, but it could be Houston.
Pegasus.
Yeah, that nighttime illumination, just amazing. Real sky is the light blue. Everything above is planet people. And you've got them two blending in from both sides. It's amazing. Just like Jillian was saying, they're folding into each other. It's so weird.
Yeah.
I'm thinking Houston. The light illumination is a planet above the Earth being that illuminated. Again, look at the dark areas first.
Mhm.
The planets will jump out at you.
Coming in from the right and the left.
Yep. And once you get your eye to do that, it changes the whole ballgame.
It makes it easier, really.
Wow. Again, dark blue, then look at the yellow and the white. And you'll see planet, that's Yuri.
Yes, he still teaches the same thing that he did 15 years ago.
Yep, never changed the story.
Don't need to change it.
Well, it works, and we've had to push, and we learned this back when they were tiny.
Yes.
And they got bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and then we got more insane and more insane, crazier and crazier and crazier. I did my Understanding the Sky series, and I was very silly back then. And when the girls were little, and Nova came to me the other day, and she said, "Dad, I miss those days when I was little, and I would throw the blanket on the floor next to your computer chair." She said, I felt so safe falling asleep next to you while you were working. And I was just, that's the best.
You didn't think
the
she was paying attention? They surprised you.
She said, I feel so safe when I sleep next to you while you're working on the computer.
Well, your voice was calming to her.
Yeah. Well, that famous voice.
She used to stick her hand up in the air where the bottom of your board was.
Screen with little toys in hand.
Tony would go across.
Yeah.
That's my favorite one.
Yeah, and then we used Burger King toys for, for pointing direction. That little boy, that little Simpsons character. And we used a lot of ponies and a lot of plushies. And My Little Pony series, and My Little Pony bouncing across the screen on the bottom. Perfect. Couldn't ask for more.
Sometimes we get sound effects from them.
Yep. Couldn't script it, but it happened.
That's what made it all worthwhile.
That is Saru.
That's gorgeous.
And, Atu is overhead at night, so this is after sunset. And you're seeing And on the right-hand side, you'll see Isatham Red.
Oh, these
Yeah,
are
we've
all
never seen skies
Dallas.
like this in our lives.
Right.
Wow.
Look at that. Oh, see.
And that matches your video, Christopher, right there.
Yeah, definitely.
And that line going down the middle of the page is the edge of a planet, and then Saru is behind that, which is where the green blue on the left is coming from. And this, see, green blue above, bottom of very brilliant open core of Saru. Very big, very thick, one band. On this side is the asteroids under Uri.
Wow.
And oh, the dark purple is Matim. Cool.
Diana likes that one. Oh, that is cool, though.
Yeah, this is the bottom of Atu's moon.
It's just
And a very old house.
Yeah.
Or maybe a gas station.
I know
could be.
what I saw. Well, let me just go back. and
Asking
read.
price 1.2
That's
million.
It's hard to see here, but the cloud behind it had this slightest curve going across the sky.
Yep.
You know, it's just ever so.
That's Atu's moon, and it is the sunlight is behind us. So we're looking at sunset. If this is sunset or sunrise. If this is sunrise, we're looking northwest. If this is sunset, then we're looking southeast.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, it looks great. I like that one.
And I tell you, that chimney is barely standing up. It's going to go.
Kitty cat.
Yep.
See, that's what she wants. She wants treats because she's addicted.
And that is the lead asteroid in front of the Saturn Yellow Moon.
Phil will be next.
Right?
Oh, that's pretty.
Look how
The
large
colors.
Saru is.
Yeah, look at the colors.
And there'll be a bunch of people out there going, oh, that guy's crazy. He's just talking about clouds. Yeah.
Well, they sort of are clouds, but
This is the bottom of Nepacity and Atu's moon. This is the bottom of Isatham or Saru, one of the two.
curvatures there.
Those green dots are interesting
Yeah.
because they didn't look like lens flares. Question is that the Texas Cuban Star Destroyer is parked this way, that way, this way. Asper. The asteroid.